Hey everybody, can you believe it's day 23 of Vlogmas? Because I can't. I cannot even believe that in like just a couple more days we're gonna be at the big day. It'll be Christmas, right? And Vlogmas will be over. I'm sure you'll all be very disappointed not to see my silly face with these silly hats every day. Okay, so number 23 is a little funny because this person did a tutorial and combined the works of two designers. So the one designer I know is Repeat Crafter Me, and I'm very familiar with Repeat Crafter Me. For any of you who have been watching my live streams on Wednesday night, you know that we just did a crochet along of Repeat Crafter Me snowman here, back here. And I love Repeat Crafter Me. She's super cute, super creative, and everything is just really simple and just easy to follow. So I love Repeat Crafter Me, so I'm not surprised that this person decided to do a tutorial on that. But she also took a design from, let me check, Lily Liss Holiday Patterns. So it looks like she used two. So that's kind of a neat idea to combine those two designers and make her own kind of garland out of that. So that's a really fun idea too. So hey, maybe you want to give that one a try, you know, maybe do it in your own colors and make it fit your home decor or your decorating taste. You know, that'd be a fun idea to do. I like that she thought outside the box and went with two different designers and made it her own. So that's what I encourage you to do too, you know, make it your own. That's always the fun thing to do with your crochet patterns, I think. Yeah, okay, so yeah, day 23 is over already. Oh, man, tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Can you believe that? Are you ready? I'm ready. I've been ready for a while actually, because you know, like I said earlier in the Vlogmas, control freak and always planning things. So it's not a bad thing. All right, everybody, I hope you're having a great day, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow, and we'll see what cool garland we have waiting for us. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.